Hi friends, I am Swaraj Rana. Today I have a new topic for you all, that is how to make a race game in Scratch. The first thing is that selecting the sprite and the backdrop for the game. I have selected only one sprite that is convertible to. If you want, you can select more sprites. We can rename it as Car 1 for the backdrop. I have created it by using the paint option that is present in the choose a backdrop. I have created like this. You can create your own backdrop. Let's see coding for sprite 1, that is car 1. Step 1. First we have to select when flag clicked code. I have selected it from the events block. The use of this code is that whenever you click on the flag button, which is present on the top right of the Scratch desktop, it will start your program. Step 2. Click on Motion option and then select Go to XY code. It brings your sprite to its original place whenever you start a new program. According to my track dimension of X is minus 135 and Y is equal to minus 57. Step 3. Click on Motion option and select Point in Direction code and set it to 90 degree. The use of this code is that it will keep your sprite straight. Step 4. Click on Variables and select Make a Variable. Then type in the blank box score or points. There will be two options, that is for all sprites and for this sprite only. Under the blank box, you have to select for this sprite only. Now select Set Score to 0. Step 5. Click on Control and select Forever and If code. The use of this code is that it will continuously run your program. The use of this code is that it helps you to give conditions to your program. The if code should be inside the forever code. We have to take two if statements and place it one after the other. Step 6. Click on Sensing option and select Touching Color code and select red color. The use of this code is that whenever we touch the red line, it gives you a score. Step 7. Click on Variables and select Change Score by 1. The use of this code is to change your score by 1. If you want to change your score other than 1, you can do that by just changing the number in the blank space of Change Score by 1. Step 8. Click on Control and select Wait 1 second code and change it into 10 seconds. The use of this code is that your sprite will wait for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, your score will increase by 1. If you want to increase the time limit, you can change it. I have set it to 10 seconds. Step 9. click on Sensing option and select Touching Color Code and select green color. The use of this code is that whenever we touch the green color, it makes your score to 0. Step 10. Click on Variables and select Set Score to 0. The use of this code is that whenever your sprite touches the green color, it will set your score to 0. Step 11. Click on Events, then select When Space Key Pressed. Click on the down arrow which is beside space and select the right arrow. Repeat the same statements for left, down, and up arrows. Step 12. Click on Motion option and select Move 10 steps. The use of this code is that it makes your sprite go forward by 10 steps. Repeat all this for all the arrows. For left and down arrow, we have to give negative numbers so that our sprite can move in the opposite direction. 13. Click on Motions and select Turn left 15 degrees and also select Turn right 15 degrees. The use of this code is that it turns your sprite towards the left and right. Place these codes under up and down arrow codes before move 10 steps and move minus 10 steps. Step 14. Click on Events and select When Flag Clicked Code. After this, click on Control and select Forever, Repeat Until, and wait for 1 second codes. We have to create a new variable with the name time by clicking on Variables option and select Set Time to 0, then set it to 10 seconds. Place the codes as they have shown in the picture given beside. Step 15. Click on Operators and select the code as it is shown here. Click on Variables and select the time. Place it inside the first circle and in the second circle, replace the number with 1. Select Change Time by 1 and replace it by -1. Then place it in the order as shown in the picture. Optional step. Click on Sound and select Play Sound Pop until done. The use of this code is that it plays the pop sound whenever the time is up. I wish all of you a best of luck to try this game and gain more and more scores and complete it on time, and be careful while taking a turn, because if you touch the green color, you will lose your whole scores. Thank you.